In this video, we'll explore the Offset tool in MeshInspector. Mesh offsetting involves creating a parallel surface at a specified distance from the original mesh. This feature is crucial in industries like 3D printing, injection molding, and more, where precise control over surface thickness is needed. MeshInspector offers different offset modes depending on your task. Let's go through them. First, the entire model offset mode. This mode uniformly offsets the entire mesh. A positive value pushes the mesh outward by the specified distance in millimeters, while a negative value pulls it inward. Next is the thickening mode. Unlike the entire model offset, thickening mode creates an additional surface, effectively thickening your model. A positive value creates the additional layer outside the initial model, and a negative value creates it inside. Shell mode creates two new surfaces in both directions and eliminates the initial mesh. This is useful, for example, in creating a hollow part for mold making. The next two modes, expand shrink and shrink expand, are for advanced usage. Expand shrink mode first expands the mesh by a set distance and then shrinks it, resulting in smoothed concave features that increase the model volume. Shrink expand does the same but in a different sequence, giving a different result, a smoothed convex feature that decreases the model volume. This can be useful for smoothing out noise or minor imperfections on complex surfaces. In advanced settings, you can adjust the voxel size, which controls the detail level of the created surface. A smaller voxel size gives more detail but may slow down performance. By default, decimation is applied to simplify the created surface by reducing the number of triangles. It's generally advisable to keep decimation on for better performance. Let's activate the section tool to inspect the modes closer to compare the outcomes of each mode. That's it for the Offset tool in MeshInspector. If you have any questions, feel free to explore our help section or reach out to our support team at support@meshinspector.com. Happy modeling!